Today we are making Kimbap, a Korean version of futomaki sushi roll with a variety of fillings with lots of flavors. Kimbap is becoming increasingly popular in Japan in recent years. We'll show you how to make it at home with a Japanese twist. A full recipe is on JapaneseCooking101.com. Let's get started. We have a lot to prep. First, slice takuan pickled yellow radish and cut into thin matchsticks and set aside. Next, we prepare the rice. Put steamed rice in a bowl and season with salt and sesame oil and mix. Unlike sushi, the rice of Kimbap typically doesn't use vinegar. We'll make cooked gobo burdock. Lightly scrape the skin and cut into thin strips. In a medium frying pan, heat sesame oil and add the burdock. Stir fry for 2 to 3 minutes and add the seasonings, sugar, soy sauce, mirin, and water, and cover and cook at medium heat until the liquid is almost gone, and set aside. Next, we prepare the carrot. Peel and cut carrot into thin matchsticks. Similar to gobo, we are going to saute with sesame oil at medium heat until carrot is tender. Add salt and sesame seeds, stir, and set aside. In a boiling water, we are going to boil spinach for 30 seconds or so, strain, and let cool. Once it's cooled, squeeze the water out very well and cut into 1-inch length. Put in a bowl and add the seasonings: sugar, salt, soy sauce, sesame oil, and sesame seeds. Mix and set aside. Next, we are going to make tamagoyaki rolled eggs. Beat eggs and seasoning together in a bowl. Just salt, soy sauce, and mirin, and heat a rectangular tamagoyaki pan over medium-high heat and cook tamagoyaki rolled omelette. Pour a thin layer of egg mixture in the pan and tilting to cover the bottom. After the thin egg had set a little, gently roll into a log and repeat. Watch our tamagoyaki video for more information. When it's cooled, cut tamagoyaki into thin, long strips, like that. Finally, we are going to assemble. Place a sheet of nori seaweed on the sushi mat and spread about 1 cup of the seasoned rice on the seaweed, leaving about a 1-inch space at the far edge. Then put the fillings on the middle of the rice horizontally. Put burdock, takuan, carrot, and spinach, and tamagoyaki rolled omelette. Then we are going to roll. Holding the filling down, roll from the front end of the mat toward the other end, like that, and tighten the roll like a jelly roll, pulling the mat to compress. And then remove the roll from the mat. Brush the surface of the rolls with sesame oil and sprinkle some sesame seeds on top, and cut the rolls into 3/4 inch, about 2 cm thick slices. There are many steps involved, but we promise your hard work will pay off in the end. We hope you try this delicious kimbap.
美味しいね。